Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie UK easy method. Preheat oven to 180 degrees C and prepare a 23 cm pie dish. Start by chilling your butter and grating it into flour for a light, flaky pastry. Peel and slice apples evenly, toss with sugar, lemon juice, and a pinch of spice. Roll pastry thin, assemble neatly, and brush with milk before baking for a golden, crisp finish. Make the pastry by rubbing cold butter into flour until fine crumbs form, then add cold water few tablespoons at a time to bind. Handle the dough gently and avoid overworking, so it stays tender and flaky after baking. Wrap the dough and chill for at least 30 minutes to relax the gluten and make rolling easier. This step gives you a crisp, buttery crust that holds the apple filling beautifully. Core and slice apples evenly for consistent cooking, then toss with sugar, a squeeze of lemon, and a tablespoon of flour to thicken juices. If you like a firmer filling, gently cook the apple mix for a few minutes to reduce excess liquid. Layer apples neatly in the pastry-lined dish and dot with butter before covering with a top crust. Vent the top and brush with milk for a glossy, golden finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.